Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I will help you to fix corrupted WinRAR or zip file. Before I start this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel Expert Diary. Also share your thoughts in comment section. So let's start our video. Basically there are 3 ways to fix this problem. The first one, you can fix damaged RAR zip file in WinRAR repair option. So first open WinRAR. Then click on Tools and find Repair option. Or you can easily do this just pressing Alt+R. Here you just click on Browse button and select the location where you want to save your file. After that press OK and wait. Let's see the file is fixed or not. You can see here the corrupted file is fixed. Let's go to second method. Method number 2. Fix RAR zip file using Remo Repair. So first download and install Remo Repair app. The download link down in description box. Run Remo Repair app and click on Browse button. Find the damaged RAR file and click on Open. Now click on Repair button. Once the repair process is complete, you could find a folder. Double click on that folder. Now click on Browse button to selecting the location for saving the RAR zip file. Once you select the location, then click on OK. After that click on Save button. The confirmation message pop up when the repair process is complete. Click OK to open the save file location. This is the repair RAR file. You can see here the RAR file is fixed. Method number 3. Fix damaged RAR zip file online. So first open your browser and search Fix damaged RAR file online, or the link in description box. Open the website and choose the damaged RAR file and double click on Secure Upload and Repair button. Then wait. Once the process is complete, you will see a menu like this. Then select Demo or Free link. Now you can download the damaged RAR file from here. The file will automatically download and open. Thanks for watching Expert Diary videos and don't forget to subscribe.